darkness of night, we live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. The world is dead, but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. And we surrounded by the night. We live to die. We are shadows in the neon light.
Yo, what's going on, folks? What's happening today? Yay. Oh. Whoa. What is that? Taking off feet? Right. All right. Looks like we might have some downside. Yeah. Still getting set up here, guys. Oh man, I don't know what I was saving. Don't you know what I was saying? Sleeping. New window. New window. Toss that window there. At all. Here. Oh, there. You can go there. You can go there. You can go there. 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 All right. Father, we just pray that you would assist us in our abilities to trade. Continue to follow you like to your ways. We're having some interesting pre-market punches. And market punches. Okay. We're having some interesting markets here.
I think anywhere where there's a nice big cluster of effective buyers, as long as they don't get out the market, as long as they hold their position, that would be a beautiful. I mean, yeah, you're absolutely right, Troy. That I would love to see. That give me that, and I'll be a very
actually
happy man.
there's a low volume node at 23,305 or right at 306, and that was the previous overnight high. Yeah, that's also a little juicy spot. And I'm not a long guy, so here.
I've got that node as well on my chart.
That's what the chart says, really. You have to listen to the chart sometimes. Otherwise, I'd be short all the time.
Yeah. Was there ever a point in time, Troy, where you were like more long biased in your trading, or have you always been more of a short biased trader? Is it just a recent thing, or?
I don't know. I think it's I'm always rooting for the underdog, and even if I really like the team that's the dominant team, even if I really like them, I'm sort of secretly rooting for the underdog. And I don't know, when it starts going down, man, I get excited. Go down. It gets real exciting when it starts moving, very quickly to the downside. Upside, it's like, whatever. LeBron's just hitting another shot, right? Nothing exciting there.
Troy likes it when billionaires lose money, essentially.
Yes, I do.
Oh my lord. Oh man, that's so fun. This thing's just grinding. Yeah, we don't really have a lot on the news today, do we?
Yeah, but to how far up? This is the annoying thing with something like this, because look, let's say I'll give a hypothetical, right? And I'm not saying you should do this because I definitely wouldn't. But let's just say you enter a buy right now, okay? All right. It will probably go up for a bit. I don't. But where the hell do you target? There's nothing there.
You know what I mean? You don't. You got to trail. You just got to trail.
Yeah. So you can trail it, but then at the same time, like, it's just, I don't know. I hate being in the unknown. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I can't stand it. I need to have. I don't know why. I need to have a pullback to get in. Even though right this second, it looks like, hey, it's buys are very good. I don't know.
Well, I think we've talked about this maybe once before. The only thing I could ever like my only projection of the future when you're at like times like this are to look at the options chain. You look at the futures options chain and you look at the straddle price of the at the money option, and you add the puts and the calls together, so then you get about 16 to 17 points from 63.50. So top side you'd look at 63, 60 67, 63, 66 to 63, 34. And that's like your best guess. And you have no idea. It could completely not do that like at all, but that's like your best guess. And it's a little rough.
Even though I made 200K this
year,
I'm gonna trade as if alone. This is gonna hold for now. As if. Even though I did that.
I mean, what do you got? Fib extensions? What do you got? You got maybe an ATR using yesterday's, or Friday's range, and say, okay, what if we went the full range of, you're just guessing. It's truly a guess. Maybe it's a little educated guess, but you're just an unknown, no man's land. You could step on a mine at any time when you're in no man's land. So I tend to be extraordinarily cautious on the long side anyway, but now that we're in uncharted territory, boy, it's just red flagging me crazy. I'm on Sam's side. I would totally, if I'm going to take a long, it's going to have to pull back to a low volume node. It's going to have to pull back to a previous high or a previous low. It's going to have to give me some sort of structural indication that that's support. Otherwise, I just can't do it. But and that's a lot coming from me because I have to have both arms tied behind my back to go long anyway. But it's even harder when there's like nothing. We just put that big pop up right there. Where's it going? I mean, it could pop another 100 NASDAQ points, like boom. No idea. Complete gamble here.
Yeah.
And that
I mean, the bias
little bar that you see there just made the ES go to a new all-time high as Troy was speaking. So thank you, Troy, because I am long again.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at your
They're good.
That's
somebody's making money.
Daryl, if you're in a position, please share your screen.
4.1.
Yeah, I went in right when we were 3 points away from climbing to a test all-time high. We can switch over to my screen back in.
Yeah, can the back end switch over to Daryl?
Kind of just show what I was doing earlier in the overnight. All I've done too, I don't have any average true range or anything on the take profit. I just put out, 5 points out, basically. This is a pure momentum move. This is nothing more than me getting in where I see an instrument that I watch every darn day for over a decade, right? And I see how things react to overnight or to all-time highs. I moved to a yellow one, guys. All right, let me zoom in 1 second. So, yeah, I mean, I took a couple of trades in the overnight, bounced off the VWAP, but nonetheless, I got out here, which was just shy of the overnight high. I didn't know that it was trailing, and it triggered my take profit. So I was happy with that because I was up like $600. And then I was done because it was late for me. This was like 1 in the morning. I'm going to sleep now, getting ready for today. And it kind of sold off all night a little bit, right? And then as we were getting online here, it was really selling off before the US Open. So we've just been responsive buying all the way back up here. And this is on the 1 minute just to show some granularity. But if
Jamil says looking like a trend day, absolutely. Can we take advantage of the fact that this is a nasty looking trend?
Interestingly, and I didn't take this trade at all because we were just now getting on in the morning here, where it came down right before we opened on the overnight. It's not the overnight low, but we were pulling back in ES again, low volume, right? And this yellow profile is Fridays, and we're just kind of out of, I guess, if you want to trade value area, we're like at that value high, like Coach Paul was talking about. Came right off of it and we're marching up. So that's kind of how I saw it, and I was really playing the fact that in the Asian session, in the London session, we were consolidating and we were climbing up. We never had a pullback at all. So I was thinking for sure, we're probably going to retest all-time highs today in the ES.
I'm worried, right? I feel like it's a little bit late in trade.
Done, and we've reclaimed new figures in that regard. But to the trade that I'm currently in, strictly momentum, strictly as Coach Sam, you were going through what you were seeing in the NASDAQ. I was just kind of watching this, and normally, and I think you guys know me by now, I tend not to jump in on an outer edge and go out. I'd like to, right here, if had buyers come in, I want to sell into this pressure. I jumped on the bandwagon, caught the wave because I knew we're 3 points out of all-time highs, and this train was just rolling. So strictly a momentum move. I jumped in with a couple contracts. I'm up $320 or whatever. Maybe I get to my take profit. So that's just kind of how I see it right now.
Yeah, no, smart move, smart move. Absolutely. You have. But
every trade is random. To me, every trade is random. Like how Coach Troy was talking about with, you don't know. No one knows. None of us know anything, right? We try to put the probability and the edge in our side, but no one really knows anything.
More up.
Anything.
More up.
Just the nature.
We're about to see some more up.
Yeah, potentially.
Okay, got me out.
Order filled.
I could potentially see a buy appearing now. Since the pullbacks are very shallow, I'm gonna up the risk a little bit and be willing to get in on a smaller pullback. If it stops me out. But we shall see. Just waiting. There's an area.
Looks like 6360 is an area in the ES where a lot of bids tried, pulling through and could not right there. I think it was probably about 800 or so orders filled, and it was just like a flat top there on the order flow, the heat map. So.
Yeah, I see that.
But look at that.
Now we're retesting it.
I'm out for now on my lows. Larger dip, I'll buy. One more pump, I may short into this.
Yeah, anyway, someone else can take over if they have something to show.
I might have a trade in a few minutes, so if the back end want to switch to my screen.
Outside bar reversal, perhaps. Outside bar reversal, no, thank you. I'll just keep it.
So, if we can dip into this area,
I'm not sure if I fully trust this.
then I potentially have a long. I'm just hoping it just drops a little bit more. It seems to be very bullish. I'm not happy getting in now. I need it to go here. I need it.
Order filled.
I see everything is perfect in this area. I please just drop down.
So for those of you who want to be part
Don't do another leg just yet.
At any given every day, okay, I give a mixture of. Not every day is gonna be the same.
Come on. To all the viewers as well, we will be going over all your comments in a moment.
Yeah, we're gonna get to that for sure.
Yeah.
Just a little bit of a open market flurry here.
My Funded Futures account, Apex free account. These are all accounts that every day.
Come on, just drop. Just drop.
Like
just a little bit.
To 4 every day.
I'm not asking for much.
It's not going to be different. I'm not going to give away 4. So if you want to be part of it,
just get into here.
Make sure you go inside our Discord channel.
This is what I mean.
Underneath.
Come on, Market. You know you want to be here. This is the fun zone.
Right here, giveaway channel.
It's where the cool kids hang out. Come on, come back down here.
This one's not looking good.
What's going on, Jack One? They hope.
Looks like we're not gonna make that new high.
That's right.
Come on.
So small, not even
it's not difficult. It's a few points. Just go down there.
Order filled.
Just teasing me, this market.
Do that again.
All right, here we go. Thank you. A little bit more. Come on, don't be shy.
All these
Don't be
guys
shy.
basically as soon as trade day.
The risk being
Come
so
on.
small, the probability.
Just a tiny bit more.
Try to trade some.
We lost a hundo, not even, right?
Oh, this market. I'm just gonna be patient.
$110.
The more you look at it, the slower time feels. Do you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. Here we go. Now we're slowly getting there.
Everything about that trade, I loved it.
Thank you, man.
It's gonna get really close and then go up.
So,
It's gonna do something really annoying.
It's just not a name, but
I can just feel it. I can feel this. This is the market that really just wants to break your spirit.
I think Sam needs to do one of those 1-900 sexy trade lines or whatever, you know. Come on, baby, go down. Come on, baby.
Sorry, fast movie.
You can do it. I know you can.
No.
Ooh, I like that downward
Come on
pressure.
now,
It feels so good.
I need to see this flag hold the pump to the upside. If not, they're going to do a
Oh dear.
Okay?
What did I say? What did I say? It'll get really close and then it'll go.
Look. It's still... Oh my god.
You can't
This
write this
market's
stuff.
an
It's
absolute
funny.
tease today. I'm
It's
gonna
a
set
1-900
will
market.
alert me.
It's a 1-900
I'm not gonna
market.
stare at it.
It's
More I
it's
stare.
grinding. It's grinding for sure.
Oh
This
dear.
is the third
Oh, man.
flag here, right? The third one.
You
Doesn't mean it
guys.
can't keep going, but
You
just
guys.
know that it is the third one.
Too much. Too
Oh, that's
good.
hilarious.
So far.
You get delirious. You get delirious sometimes.
This almost turned to diary. This is so unfortunate.
Man, this is... We're still grinding up into ES. Just continuing to creep up.
Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful.
All right, we'll get to some of the comments.
Lot of energy.
Look at that. Man, look at that.
I knew this would happen. I knew this exact thing would happen. It will get so close to that area where I want to buy,
Order filled.
and then it will make its move. Won't allow me in.
Boom,
When the
guys.
market's one of
Boom.
those
You
really
see
bullish
that?
days, which just
Did
goes,
you
it never lets
see
me get in.
that?
It doesn't retrace
Traded
just
that
enough.
account, got almost 2K now.
It's
This one, $900. I like it. Fund it.
well, you just gotta wait for the next opportunity.
Boom, boom.
Eventually, there
Great
will be
job,
one. It's
Trade.
just
Excellent, great job.
just tad annoying.
Joseph, you got it?
Yeah.
Nice. Anybody got this trade too?
Stop filled.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's go.
I'm looking at my arch nemesis gold right now and looking to try and get in to something here. I'm trying to get into. I was looking at a short, and then the short didn't look like it was panning out well, so now I'm looking to possibly get long. But it's very iffy right now. Like gold is super iffy. Crude oil was super iffy when I was just looking at it. Obviously, I mean the ES is now breaking out and has just started breaking out. The MNQ I haven't even looked at recently. Ah, jeez, Louise, man.
Let's go, guys. Let's freaking
We've
go.
got nothing at the moment.
You know where we're at right now? We're at.
And then reject the people. You see the
I've moved my area a little bit further down
they squeeze them
to
In
adjust for the
profit.
volume.
But if
So
they
I
keep
think-
holding, I will dip it again.
We're almost there, guys.
I think actually there might
Almost
be an
there.
opportunity. I think it might make it to move.
But right now I'm not gonna do it.
I can see
They just
Yeah.
did the one last squeeze here.
I don't know, I can see a bit of sell pressure come in. So this might be good.
Last squeeze is like they make it look like for the short to cover, they make it cover and then this time they
Robert, good morning, my friend.
40, 350 area.
Robert, Machado.
Robert, great to see you.
My five cities boy.
To trade that range.
Boy from the 5 cities.
That's why you gotta sell the push, guys. You gotta sell the push. You gotta sell the push, guys. Careful with your longs here, guys. I'm not saying it's gonna crash. I'm saying
Sam, you think this might be the beginning of a head and shoulders where we just put in the head and it's going to go sideways now and produce another shoulder and maybe then go short.
Sorry, say that again, Troy?
On the NASDAQ, it looks like it's maybe doing a head and shoulders. This is and it just put in the head, and maybe it's going to go sideways now. Put in the shoulder, the right shoulder.
Yeah, like that, and then
Yeah.
yeah, potentially.
You see how these
Potentially.
sale volumes are slanted that way?
$18.
We have come to find so far that it's likely.
Troy's trying to speak it into existence. I see what you're doing, Troy.
Yeah.
I see what you're doing.
We see up when we see that.
Man, my finger is just twitching.
Yeah, Apple pumping 214.
That is so funny.
Amazon pushing a little bit.
Yo, so we got 2 wins today so far. One.
We missed you on the live streams Thursday and Friday, Troy. There was a couple times where I mentioned you, and I was one of the viewers was talking about something that reminded me of you, and I was like, once you see Coach Troy on here, we'll start having some fun on the short side for sure. But the time will come when Coach Troy is on and we get to see some short trades and whatnot.
Exactly.
So
look at this move in the ES. Woohoo!
It's still always a long.
Man,
U.S. leading index change month over month just came out. I did not think we'd get a market reaction, but this thing is. I'm back in long, by the way. I don't need to show my charts. I'm trading this thing up.
No, please pull them up, because I've got nothing on my end yet. Back end,
right, cool.
please get up Daryl's charts.
Yeah, this is full momentum right now. I mean, this is just wind in the sails. Go for. This is the anti-Troy move. Okay, this is what I'm going to call it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
Goodness gracious.
Got to come up with something here. I don't know what we'll say.
I mean, give me a setup at least.
Boom.
I have 0 setups in all of this nonsense.
Anti-Troy.
And again, I got in. When did I get? I got in around 64. 63, 64, and I'm putting my take profit at 71.25 only because, again, we talk about we're in no man's land. There's no place to lean against. There's no targets, no levels. I'm just arbitrarily thinking there's going to be some liquidity at the 63.70 or 63.80 or 63.90, whatever it may be. These are even number levels. Retailers love to just put in limit orders, so I'm just gunning for that. And I'll be happy just to take 4 or 5 points all day, every day.
You got that long, nice.
In fact, I'll move my stop into break even. So now we'll sit and chill. And I have to adjust all my levels because I've got all-time highs in the ES. Regular trading hour, what I track, and the IB high, all on the same price point at this point. they're all tracking the same. So I got no separation yet. Everything's up there.
Yeah.
I remember what I wanted to ask you last week.
It's just the way it goes.
Alright, guys, be aware, be careful of something like.
Come on, market.
Up, down, up, and then boom, like a leg like that. Okay. I'm not saying
Give me opportunity.
Happened, but be careful of a build up here and then a leg like this. Okay.
I'm kind of liking what I just saw
it doesn't
at
have
the top
to
here
just be mindful
for a potential retracement.
Right through my order doesn't reveal me.
I'm seeing a lot of buyers right at the top on this candle, and then lots of sellers came in just here. I kind of like that, but will it retrace? I don't know, man. The bulls are incredibly strong.
Why am I not filled?
Still, I know. Crazy strong.
So far, they're still doing some kind of a flaggish thing.
I mean,
Well, at some point, they will have to stop.
it's just pushing.
At some point, they can do a candle like that. Then it's
Let's see. Let's have
I'm
some
thinking
fun,
we're
shall
going to
we?
see a retracement. Looking at the footprint, I feel we're going to have a retracement happen any moment now. There's going to be a retracement, I think.
For now.
So,
But at any moment,
just based on the footprint.
These little dips, you have to be okay.
Go, baby, go!
Late in trend.
To the moon!
Do this right now because it doesn't start shorting it, start bumping. So I'm just going to keep buying the dips to the blue skies breakout, but no, this.
You know, there's emojis on here. I gotta find a good emoji for right now. This is
Into 400.
Sorry,
Or a rocket ship or something.
I gotta find like a dollar symbol or something. Where's the money?
Okay.
Is there a search? No search. I guess I gotta scroll through this.
That's
not
the
anything
more
pullback would not be anything out of the ordinary. It's just that if I try to short it,
Our viewers thinking I've lost it already. It's only
we had one here that
we're only a half hour into this week, and I've already lost it.
blue skies,
like
break
it's
out.
Really? Really? No, no gold? No, no. Come on, there's got to be something.
I'm short.
That's the selling back
I'm
side.
short. If you want to show my
Okay.
screen.
Yeah,
switch
back end,
over.
please pull up Troy's
I'll
screen.
look for money.
Hard pull, then we have the range battles, right? Then we can draw the fibs and all that.
I think Troy saw what I saw as well, of a potential retracement happening.
Guys, if you enjoy streaming with us and trading with us, please go ahead and hit the like button. We got 2,700 people right now on the stream.
We're pretty much here.
And only
Back
400
end,
likes.
please switch
If you
to
think we can get
Troy's.
like 300 of you to click that like.
Oh, okay.
All I ask is for one click from you. If you like streaming with us, please go ahead and hit that like button. Let's even get it over 700.
What's going on, man?
Oh, am I
And
not
if you want to be part
sharing?
of a giveaway
Shouldn't be
today, we're
sharing.
giving away 4 accounts. Anything between 150K
I hope you guys don't
By the
mind,
way, are you
but I
guys
might
having
be
a hard time
snacking
hearing?
nuts
Tradeify, straight to
No.
during this session.
How do I sound
Keep
today?
myself fueled.
Do I have a? Is my mic giving you guys trouble?
My Funded Futures.
Not really.
Yes.
Not really. Sounds alright.
A lot of echo.
Okay.
So if you want
You got echo for me?
go inside our Discord,
don't wanna
go
hold too much
inside
risk, but
giveaway
I'll
channel,
probably
and you're gonna
There
see
we
the
go.
instructions to enter into those 4.
Troy,
So
I'm liking
I'm
it.
thinking on this
Like
trade,
it.
we're gonna pull back some, and I've got my stop just right at the all-time highs. It's about a $200 stop,
All right.
and at
let's
the
see.
moment I got about a
Now we
$300
talked about
target.
this just a second ago. How
But
we
if
see
it
all
comes
this
down
negative
to this
volume,
little spike
big
low right
push,
there,
and then the
I'll
volume
definitely
started to
take it
beat
off.
down. Now that's actually
Because the
starting to
odds are
look,
that
I
I can't figure out how to grab. There we go.
mean that lines
That
up.
it's gonna
but-
bounce somewhere in this little area
Remember
here
what I
because we
told
had
you guys,
seen
support
you
there
a
can
before.
lot
roll it
of
up here,
sell
you can
volume
roll it
now.
okay.
The
If
longer
it's
this
something
takes, the less I
is
like it.
something, goes like this, you have to be okay.
It needs to
Let's
go ahead
see
and
how
move
this-
down.
see
Now
how,
I don't
like,
like it.
It
I
was
don't
very
like it. I don't like
consistent
it.
here. It
But
did get
I'm
a
gonna
little
hang in
bit
there because we are at
interesting there,
all-time
but
highs
let's
and been
just
going
see
nowhere
how this
but up
plays
for
out.
30
It
minutes.
actually
It's got to
could still break
retrace.
to the
It's
upside.
got to. It has to. She wants to go down.
Doesn't
It's
have
your
to.
choice, you don't have to.
It doesn't have to do anything.
I appreciate it, you guys.
The
It has
Dow
to.
is the
It
one
has to.
leading
Come,
leading the charge a little bit more.
It must.
We pray together, we keep it clean.
it must. It must.
You know, also do some giveaways. If you want to be the part of the giveaways, follow the instructions inside the Discord channel on the giveaway.
And I might get stopped out,
That's
but
right, Rodney. God's good all the time. All the time.
yep. There we
Damn,
go.
these
Got
balls
stopped.
are insane.
It will not allow me to take my risk off today. It will say it's saying I have to hold
Yeah.
my wrist to the bigger end.
Yeah,
Look
the
at
delta
that.
is
These
very
balls
strong.
are
Hourly candle.
insane.
Breakout.
The only reason
So
why I went
beautiful,
for
right?
the trend.
You know why we got a bullish day, right?
For now, right? At any point, it can reject. That's trading. At any point, it can reject. That's fine.
Because you have your
Yeah, these
basket
are days
hole
I
out
do.
there in the desk.
Every dip's being held. So.
It's because of all the
I lose
golden
money on
ball
these
stroking
days.
I did on Friday.
That's right. That's exactly right. Again, back to the 1-900 channel here
This
for
community, especially when we're
Coach
talking
Sam.
about God, JV.
That's
Troy,
full
Troy, I'm gonna get a little golden bear statue as well. And then when you're in the trade, I'll
Oh, good.
stroke the bear.
Oh, that's looking.
There you
When,
go.
when
I
anyone's
still,
in a
I
long
still
trade,
like
I'll
it
stroke
short.
the bear.
Into the giveaway. You increase your
I still like it short. I still do.
getting the account, right?
Yeah, it could break down through that liquidity right here. See, it looks like.
Will it crash?
Oof.
Yes, it's as good as mine.
Breakout here would be
They are absorbing. What I'm seeing in the ES, they are absorbing everything the sellers are trying to throw at it right now.
new all-time
Like
high.
right
We'll have
here,
to
I
break
tried to
this
go
high
short
here.
on it.
Can we make
Yeah,
a
it's
new
crazy.
all-time
I see a
high?
bit of consolidation now,
Can we do it
typical
right now?
consolidation
Make it
type
all-time high,
But
one
I
time.
realized
um,
the first pullback,
numbers
Second
on
pullback saying
footprint.
no.
But,
third and fourth pullback, so it's like
I'm still hoping for a pullback, man. I really am. There's
it's like you pull a piece.
it was looking promising when Troy, when you jumped in, it was looking very promising, but then it switched very quickly as well. And then sellers got trapped at the bottom
I don't know what this
of the
market
range,
wants from me.
the tiny little range we've got going on now.
Now failing to push up.
But I still think
Could need to like find more liquidation.
there could be a pullback.
It
It's
needs
just,
to like capture more liquidation. So
I wouldn't want to short it just because
breaks out.
who wants to short such momentum, right? Against such bullish momentum.
Pandas,
But that scares me a little
Yeah.
bit. But I will certainly want to buy it
What we
if
needed.
it pulls back and gives me a good opportunity.
That's so blessed this channel.
This is a good one, Pandas. I think
Yeah,
you might have found a
I'm
decent
looking.
trader.
I'm looking for a pullback buy in the Dow. Actually, I've been keeping my eyes on the Dow pretty
Nice little breakout one time.
pretty
See, not getting
intensely.
20 bajillion, 11 bars in a row for
Contemplated a
1
short, but decided to step
We're not
away
getting
and not
50
take the
bajillion,
short
11
and just
bars
wait
once
for
in our
a
lives
long
in a row.
opportunity to arise here.
One time, please,
Hopefully,
don't have 50
very
bajillion,
shortly.
11 bars in a row.
That the Nasdaq, man, it's like just forming a flat top right there.
Bajillion overlapping bars in a row.
If it gets through that, I bet you it just kind of punctures up and gives you a good 20 points at least.
Uh-oh.
It's turned to diarrhea, like I said. I don't want to give more back.
Yeah, that's the thing with the Nasdaq. When it moves a little, it's a lot. It's so different than the ES.
Actually, I'll
right?
still be okay.
Just-
in the orders.
They are fun. You
Ooh,
can
that
do
bull. Look at Troy.
But
He's
how
already
frustrating
shorts.
is that? 50 bajillion
Yeah, I'm doing
bars
it.
in a row.
Day one. That's the good thing
I
about
mean,
the
I
prop.
guess a bounce off the
Nice.
bottom of the channel could give us
It's because you can get paid
full
day one
again.
on day one.
But until then, Pandas, I don't know. I don't know, Pandas. It's just getting very sideways. I was getting very choppy.
Bond
We got
option.
signs of trading range starting to
11:30
happen right here. We got signs of
US
it,
6
and
month
now
bill.
it's starting to continue.
Come on.
10 o'clock was US leading index change. Already, so.
It's all good. I would have lost that trade right there with this.
I'm rooting for you, Troy.
Let's see if they hold this low trend.
Footprint's looking great for a short, so I think you'll be all right.
Now at the bottom of the channel, if this is a channel. This is a small
Yeah,
channel.
for sure.
Well, I'm not going to get
Going
nipped
for
out
a
unless they
rebound.
take out the high.
Could just be looking for a
Let's see what kind of range they print.
I could try. It's a silly trade in my opinion.
I hope you guys don't mind.
Come on.
Just gonna snack on a few nuts.
We'll hold this range. But if they start going straight down, then you know they're
At
going
least
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
eating
you're
something
good.
today.
Let's see after they come down here if they hold this range.
I have to, man.
And keep on going.
Stomp.
I have
If they
to.
don't,
I know.
they start
You're still OMAD, right? You're still pretty much OMAD every day.
Yeah.
1 meal a day.
Still pure keto.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Apparently, I needed more fat. According to ChatGPT, I needed more fat in my diet in order to be more effective at what I'm trying to achieve. And it recommended
All right.
some nuts.
Let's go.
So I said, sure. Went to the store, bought some nuts.
You know, the way you are grabbing that bowl, nuts are appropriate, my friend.
Not looking to go short here at all in this situation.
That was too easy, Daryl. That was way too easy.
I know it was a lay.
Yeah.
It was a lay. He
I
put
guess-
himself right there.
I handed that joke to you on a silver platter. You had to take it.
Absolutely.
How many times have I entered this trade? Right, set my order up here.
It's not looking good now.
Actually triggers and reverses on the dime.
Come on, let's go bias back in. Came down to low volume. On the developing profile for me.
Beautiful. What did we say, Daryl?
Oh,
What did
man,
we
look at
say?
this. Come on.
5 minute pretty strong still, right? Doing
This
the
is
5 minute,
insanity. The buyers came in out of nowhere again.
flag here.
Mm-hmm.
Above this area. I'll
Come
try to get
on,
back
let
to
the
it.
shorts have some.
I definitely.
But I am
Give them
aware that
something.
they can
I mean-
come
I
and wash this
really
out.
definitely have to try.
It's a dangerous trade. But
I
I'm gonna
have
buy
to
this
try
5
it
minute
all
flag.
the time.
It's just too
If it
late in
breaks
the
lower
push.
than-
Dang, but look at this.
They're being
Again,
greedy, these
we're
buyers.
seeing this volume.
Gotta try. Semi-decent straw bear bar. Semi-decent bear bar.
Thanks for the support, Robert, by the way, in the
Go
chat.
down.
You're the man.
I gotta try it, Penna.
And I do like what Eric Lake is calling me, Coach D. I'm not opposed to that.
Thoughts
That
and
works for
prayers
me.
here, Pandas.
Coach D.
Yeah.
Coach Walter White. That would be my. Your name.
I'm gonna start growing it out. I'll grow the goatee for you if you want me to.
Thoughts and prayers. I'm gonna need
Ah, that negative volume.
Pandas, thoughts and prayers.
Yeah, if you feel it's too dangerous, don't do it, right? Absolutely. If you think it's too dangerous for you, don't do it. You have to accept the risk if you're gonna take a trade here. You have to accept the risk. I accepted the risk.
Trading into the chop.
But if you don't accept the risk, you think it's too much for your account.
The light is at the end of the
Man, I have
tunnel here.
my finger on the trigger. I am just ready to go, but my goodness, give me something to feel relatively comfortable
On
with.
our Ola, has to be perfect setups.
I think I gotta just try, right?
Has to be perfect
I
setups.
have
No,
to try here.
I think I
thought we had one.
I mean, I kind of like the, I like going
was
long.
bad.
It's just difficult with the where I would want to put my stop as to like. It's kind of a larger
I
stop
think we
loss.
gambled on that entry.
That I don't feel super comfortable with because I'd have to have a pretty large move
Come on,
to
baby.
make it worth
Come
it.
on,
And
baby.
in
Come
the
on,
YM, I would be looking for literally like a 140 point
Get
move.
up there. Get up
at the
there.
moment because I'd be
Let's
looking to
freaking
test
go.
previous days highs.
Let's freaking
but
go.
Jeez, man, I'd have to put
Yeah.
I'd have to put my stop like down 100 points in the Dow to make 140, which isn't bad or anything. It's just
I don't like
kind
that.
of like a hold
Spike.
your trade for
It's a crazy
probably
spike.
a good portion of the day. Like
I don't
not
know if you
even.
just saw what I saw.
Yeah, this would be a
It literally
longer
just spiked up.
term
Feeling like,
intraday trade. So
I'm
target
stopped
is
again.
reversed.
All
You
right.
saw what I saw, but
Spike.
whatever.
Now you've seen what not to do.
I'll take it. Whatever. I'll take that.
You had the right idea,
shit.
Troy.
I don't use any of the proffers.
You had the
I'll
right
take it,
idea.
I'll
Don't
take
worry.
it. Look how absolutely diarrhea.
It's just playing right now. The market. We're in a
I think I'm like.
we're in a
There's
range.
opportunities for both. Yeah. You know.
There it is. There it is. Let's go.
But I'm still with
Let's
you
go.
on the short side for now. I would rather be selling the market than buying it at this very
I'm
moment.
a little weirded out on that spike.
It's just I feel once we get to these lows, the buyers come in. When we get to these highs, the sellers come in.
Shoot.
So we're literally just in a very tight range.
Nope. Dang it.
What makes you want to fade a move, Sam? I mean, what makes you want to
Sorry.
get in front of this? Why are you looking for? I mean, I could see you looking for shorts on pullbacks, but I mean, are you thinking the highs are
So
in?
right here.
And you're
No,
Still
no,
have the
not at all.
negative
Not
volume
at all.
moving downward.
This is just a break. This is just a break. I think it will keep going
Okay.
up. But
Oh no.
right now,
okay.
lots of people, when we get to the top, loads of buyers are piling on positions, right? Loads of buyers
Right,
trapped,
right,
for example, in this wick. Big buyers trapped, more buyers trapped here. Near the highs, there's always, because everyone wants to buy, right? Everyone's looking at the
course.
charts
That's
going
a
up
crazy
and saying,
wick
oh,
to-
gotta buy. So the moment it
Yeah.
looks like it's about to go up, everyone's just buying, and then get trapped. So because of that, I would rather be shorting it, like scalp wise, you know, back down to these lows here, to here, to here, like quick scalps.
To be honest, I think if it
And I feel
goes
that
lower
there
than this, we're
could
pretty
be,
much
look,
cooked.
two things will happen, I think. It will either continue going sideways for a bit and it will just be a tight range, and then eventually it will break out and
I think I
continue
want.
highs. Or
I got short the
we
ES.
might
by the way.
actually have a decent pullback.
940 pandas and the market turned to absolute.
Do you want to switch over to full screen, back end?
I had to try here. I'm gonna try with 3, but let's see. Pro would have one
Shoot.
runner. I had 3.
Shoot, guys, shoot.
Back to the bottom of the channel.
So yeah, I'm just looking at I'm just looking on my heat map order flow, and I just saw kind of like Sam was saying with like when Sam talks about like buyers getting trapped and whatnot at the top of like candles or what have you, or certain like time periods. I kind of saw that in the last like 3 to 5 minutes, and I was thinking, you know, they might get out and other buyers might be taking profit, and then I would be looking for a target down to like the 63.59 area to 63.55 area. So that's like VWAP. It's like previous consolidation for the first target area, and then VWAP for the second target area. So we'll see. And again, stops at all-time, or I guess all-time highs, you could call it, and not necessarily the best stop location, relatively speaking. As we know, people stop on.
That's where we're targeting
Market
right
loves
there.
to do that,
I
but
think that'll do.
it's really the only place I have where it gives me a bit of room for error there. So we'll see, though. Be nice to catch a catch a little trade here.
Yeah.
Very choppy. So this looks like it
Absolutely.
may come back down, create some sort of trading range back to the 20 minute and the higher time frames.
Would love for this now, like what we're doing right here is like this needs to break right here, or it's either gonna pop or break. And I don't know. I guess we'll just see what happens in the next 2 minutes. I think maybe we have to wait for the 5-minute candle to close or something.
Time to pop up, baby. It's pop up time. Pop it.
To the moon, baby. To the moon. Sorry, Coach Paul.
Oh no, dude. I just hope at least one of us win. I hope both of us don't lose. That's all.
So guys, yes, giveaway.
Yeah, let's do it.
To all the people watching, we are doing a giveaway today. We will be announcing it. Let me find out exactly when we'll be announcing it. I can imagine probably in the next 30 minutes to an hour. I would say we'll probably be announcing the winner. But in order to actually enter the giveaway, you need to be subscribed to Hola Prime TV and Hola Prime Global YouTube channel.
Are you serious?
If you can't find Hola Prime Global, just type in Hola Prime into YouTube. You will see our channel. It's very obvious. It has our logo, and it's got thousands and thousands of subscribers. You'll easily spot it. So you need to subscribe to our main channel and this channel. You also need to leave a comment in the chat, in this live stream chat, and also, please, this is extremely important. You must have your email in your YouTube bio. Okay, so if your email is not in your YouTube bio, sadly, you won't be entered to potentially win. So please do that right now if you would like to enter. Add your email into your YouTube bio. Okay?
Sorry, Sam. Literally, while you were reading that, I literally was as soon as the 10:20 candle started, the 5-minute candle closed. Literally, Pop immediately stopped out it made me laugh literally because I was like, I couldn't have said that any better 2 minutes ago. Where I was like, yeah, maybe the 5-minute candle closes and then we see.
I know.
And then
I thought of you in it.
Dude, and what's funny is
all-time high again.
Ultimately, I don't know if it's
and I was looking at the Dow and the NASDAQ. Both of them are coming off of, the Dow was coming off of VWAP and the NASDAQ was coming off of its 21 period EMA. And I was like, dang, this is actually starting to look bullish. And then immediately as that candle closed, boom. So that's okay. Took my stab short for the day, and that's it. So I'll be looking long forever now.
ES went straight to the 70. Went straight to the 70. And wow. I mean, no reason not to, I suppose.
Oh, man.
And Pointer could
now Troy and... Woo. So Troy and Paul both went short. I feel like I need to go short
for this
as well
pullback. Let's see what happens.
I think we need to make it.
Why don't we switch over to... Let's get the back end and switch back to me, to my chart. I'll show you guys what I have.
We need to gang up against Daryl. Daryl and his buy buddies.
You're not ganging up.
We're gonna gang up against him. We're gonna push this market down. Come on.
You're not.
Let's just unload. Let's just.
I'll show you what I did. I'll show you what I did. You guys will love it. You guys are gonna love this. Look at this.
I'm okay. We should have got out.
Oh, look at this. Look at what we're doing. To the moon, baby. Look at that.
Oh dear. Let's hope there's no engine failure.
Yeah.
I hope not. I hope not.
Daryl's so comfortable in his long trade that he had time to put the emojis up of a moon and a rocket right out of script.
I did. Give me. Go away to another screen and come back. I'll probably have the whole landscape here or something. I don't know. Yeah, no.
Oh, dear.
Sorry, guy. I couldn't hold this back. I had to share.
Dang.
That's great.
Probably should have just TP'd up here.
That's brilliant.
Move
I like that.
we were already in.
Fair play to you, Daryl. Fair play to you.
And Robert's asking where my take profit is. I'm at 63.72 in the ES. I'm just a hair over where we just were in the 70. I mean, I'll keep moving it and trailing it if it wants to do that, but we may get a retracement and I'll collect some money.
Okay.
Here.
I'm in for a short.
On the long side, but
I'm in for a short. We're gonna do this, guys. 412.5 has got to be my stop. 412.75. Oh, that's quite high up. I don't like that. So my stop, unfortunately, has to be about there.
All right.
And I mean, my take profit, it could be anywhere.
On the 15
it could be down
second,
here, it could be down here, it could be down here, but I'm just going to manually get out based on the footprint. I don't like already what I'm seeing. It's like instantly. I already don't like it.
I'm actually curious.
Sellers being absorbed.
So on,
like right at the tip of that candle, I just saw sellers get absorbed. I'm like, why? You came in here nice and strong, and now you're getting absorbed right here. But it's fine. It's fine. I will keep my eye on it. This is the important part. Keep your eye on it. Let's see what happens.
I want to see the NQ claw back to like 23,395 or so, and then I would be looking to possibly get long here.
I want to know which one's correct.
Taking another stab at it.
I'm pretty tired.
The sellers, come on. This is where they got absorbed last time. If they can just break through it, then I'll feel a little bit more confident. Otherwise, I'm getting out.
I don't like it.
All right, we're coming down to here.
Still getting absorbed. 10 contracts got absorbed. Come on, a bit more. Just give it a bit more push. You can break these buyers. They think they control the market. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Bit more power. That's it. 129 contracts. I'm liking that. Now push down a little bit more. Keep going. You're getting absorbed again. Why? Nah, they're getting absorbed. This is not going to work. I'm out. That was silly. It's just not going to happen.
I'm out of my trade too.
I just got long
and there you go.
one MES.
Oh, finally. You're finally coming over.
Yeah. No, yeah, for sure. I don't mind. Like getting long and getting stopped out in this today would feel much better than being short and getting stopped out like I just did. So I will take the long on this pullback here on the M&Q, and yeah, let's ride it up and break the high of day. Would love to again.
If the back end want to pull up Paul's screen, I'll update my P&L as well. The whole $17.
Could be worse.
Yeah, still pushing up.
$17 richer.
Showing
now that is
signs losing steam. I do need to start seeing it push, because if it doesn't push,
that's what it's about. That's what we do here.
The only thing keeping me long right now is ES still pushing higher.
Hey,
but NQ is
that's some lunch for you. Well, just kidding. You don't eat anymore. You only eat dinner. So.
You know, the amount of money I am saving by being on this diet is great.
Oh,
honestly, you don't realize how much money you spend on food until you start eating like 900 calories a day.
No.
It's fantastic. I'm loving it. I feel like a very rich man now.
It looks like we're having a hard time here. Come on, let's go, buyers. Are you gonna not now? You're not gonna step in.
So the difficulty with a day like this, because they keep on holding, and some people want to short it.
Volume looking like, baby.
You could have a candle like this, but on other days,
you know, with these emojis, I'm a little disappointed. I can't find a bear and I can't find a bull. I was going to try to play into what Sam was talking about with getting a little golden bear or something for Troy.
That's why.
You would think that a bear and bull would be an obvious emoji to have.
It's hard to long and it's hard to
in a trading platform. This is trading view charts, right?
Oh, I see I see a bull. I do see a bull. But it's like a farm. Like
there is a bull.
Silhouette bull.
It's like an ox.
You see it?
Yeah, it's like.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, it's like an ox. Yeah.
It's kind of lame.
But it's got horns, so.
It's got horns, right? It's got horns, and there's like a yak to the left of it or something.
Like this
Yeah,
5 minutes
that's the
stair
one.
stepping,
Yeah.
Like this 1 minute chart is no problem.
Yakety yak.
There's no bear.
I don't see a bear. Yeah, I don't see
In
a
this channel, it
bear.
looks like it's gonna go down.
Do I?
Maybe you can make a bear.
Oh, there is a bear.
The other
There's a
one.
bear at the top. No, the top line of the animals. There's a teddy bear next to that.
Well, like a
panda.
teddy bear.
That's the only bear you're gonna
Come
get.
on, baby.
That's all you're gonna get. It's
Come on,
not very
baby.
exciting,
Let's
right?
freaking go. Let's
The
get
least
it ready.
scary
Really?
bear
Like,
from.
Like, you know what? Is this my bear? Or
Let's
is this
go.
my scary? Wait.
Let's go.
I'll give away a 50K.
Yeah,
take
look at
profit
like
account.
this. That doesn't
I'll
look
give
too,
away
you know.
a 50K Tradeify growth account.
Oh, come
I'll
on.
give away
That ain't gonna work.
That's funny.
Come on, make it
500
happen.
futures, 50K account, and also an Apex
Push.
account of any size.
Push.
So if you want to win these accounts, right, take profit's amazing because it's daily payouts.
This
Ready
feels
to
pretty good
happen.
here.
If you
Come
want to
on.
be part of these takeaways, make sure you go follow the channel. You see what
We gotta do like when I think what Tesla earnings are coming out Wednesday or something. We gotta put a Mars here. We'll do a little Elon to the moon to Mars.
I expect a full solar system.
I need more
landscape
coffee, guys.
by
What
the
can I
time-
tell you?
Oh gosh.
Where this moon goes is going to be my take profit, Robert. Robert's asking, he keeps asking where my take profit. I'll just move the moon today. Only today.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed
Tomorrow,
this
maybe
video,
like
please go
Hades in the middle of the earth or something. Mordor. We go to Mordor tomorrow.
Daryl doesn't talk price points. He just places an emoji.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I got in at the rocket,
You know,
and I'm getting out at the moon. And
you guys have heard about like trading around moon phases. I know Coach Troy has heard this before, right? With like the tide and the moon and the yeah, man. This may be maybe
There's
I'll
an
move to
indicator.
this will be my
Right
my
here, look
Yeah,
at it. Look at this. Right.
there's an indicator out there, moon phases.
I'll
There
put
it
a whole.
goes.
I'll put the whole solar system
Damn.
in here. Get the Milky Way.
You
Why
just
not? Just keep
Need
going.
to have better holding power.
Yeah, this is okay. So now the IB is set. So my IB is set, and
You know, I think I'm done today.
it's already exceeded my IB probability of taking one out.
I
So
don't want to just keep entering
That's okay.
trades. I just
the way this thing's just going crazy.
pushing back up, man.
So, really quickly to everyone watching, the competition is for a $25,000 challenge account. So if you would like to enter, once again, you need to subscribe to Hola Prime TV, Hola Prime Global, so our main channel. Leave a comment in this chat, and very, very importantly, please do leave your email address in your YouTube bio. Okay? If you do all those three things, you will be entered. Okay, so subscribe, leave a comment, and YouTube email in your email in your YouTube bio. All right, and we will be announcing it soon. And it's for a $25,000 challenge account. So good luck, everyone.
Absolutely. I don't like
it.
this. Stupid.
Okay, so I guess you're trading micros.
All right.
I don't trade micros. I just lost 10 to 20 points on mini. I like to do that better. So.
Just keep melting up here. It's just. I mean, I kind of thought we'd have a retest of the all-time high. I did not really expect a day like today.
It takes too long for me to go and just.
That's what makes trading so much fun.
So I don't Guys, be careful. Make sure you lock.
I gotta say, this is a boring market.
Push here.
These are the worst days for me. The ones where it just keeps going and it never stops and it never pulls back. It never gives you an opportunity. It's just go, 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 go. All-time highs.
The days where everybody's
These are the
401ks
worst
are
days.
doing well.
Yeah. It's where billionaires get even more richer.
Pull back.
All right.
Pull back.
Come on, and you just pop through the high that you made like 10 minutes ago or 15 minutes ago, and then hit the profit target that I got here, and
that is it.
we'll be
We are in a
dancing.
Super long.
Stace Trades 21's asking me real my stop loss. I do both. I mean, I'm just I don't have. I'm gonna get out here. They're gonna take me out.
Risking $4 for 200.
But I trail both because I mean I'm moving my take profit because I don't have any real targets because we're in all-time high territory. So I'm just kind of moving both and almost like, if you will, moving a little bracket up. So I'm just taking what the market will give and trying to, you know, extract some profits on a day like today. It just and I don't have to. I know what he's asking. It's like, why even put a take profit? Just let it just keep going. Because I want to. The way I trade, I just like to. I don't mind, you know, in and out on the way in a particular trend.
You know, guys, what I'm starting to place, what I'm seeing. Sorry, Daryl, I didn't mean to cut you off there. I thought you were.
No, go.
You can continue.
No, go.
What I feel like I'm seeing a lot right now is like I'll see like the Dow and the S&P like digest, and then I'll see the NASDAQ break out, and then I'll see the NASDAQ digest, and then I'll start seeing the Dow and the S&P getting to areas where they could like go long again, and it's like happening over and over. And this is the area where this is actually the first time that I'm looking right now. Okay, now literally all three of them retrace together, digest, and now they're all popping up together. So it's kind of funny that that literally that correlation kind of just changed. But it seemed like there was like cyclical nature. There was like a cyclical nature occurring on the 1 minute charts.
But I'm in.
Anyway, apologies, Daryl.
Anyways, we're.
No, you're fine. I was just. Talking about nothing really.
We're pretty much done.
I mean, normally, I trade around these nodes, right? I mean,
it used to be much lower, but I think
definitely.
Yeah, you know, I'll go from something like a low volume to an outer edge and around the rotation, but this thing's just been squeezing up. It's given us some opportunity on pullbacks, but from the open, this thing is just. So.
I feel like the only chance I'll have trading today will be trading purely off the footprint and not waiting for it to get into zones or anything like that, and just literally do it the old-fashioned way. Well, it's not an old-fashioned way, but I don't know what I'm talking about. But
yeah, I know.
Be a little bit more
risky.
Drop one of my confluences and just kind of jump in, jump out, quick scalp. I think that's the only time. Otherwise, it's going to be a day where it's just the market's going to leave me. It's going to leave off without me, and I'll be sitting waiting constantly. Come on, come back, and it just doesn't.
If you're long already, you can stay long.
Right now, it looks like
please come back.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I'm always looking at where can I make money today, right? I want to make money. I don't want to just sit here and so, you know, wherever there's an opportunity for me to make some money, I'll take a trade. That's just my nature. That's just how I am. I guess that's why I trade, but
absolutely.
This is just.
I see a short position now.
Mm-hmm.
I've got in for a short. Don't ask me why. I'm doing such silly stuff, but I've got in for a short. I just see on the footprint potentially buyers trapped. I need to. I just don't like the price I got in. It was very bad.
But if you buy it, it seems like they're gonna dump it.
I'm probably gonna get out very quickly. To be honest, I don't like this.
There's a. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. This seems like it could have been a fake out. It could have been a time. It looked like the shorts were maybe going to pull through there, and then a possible fake out, and just continue to the upside. But
ATR on the 5 minute is 20, and the ATR on the 25 minute picture is 15. You might as well just trade on these charts here. It's about to
Come on, sellers, stop getting absorbed and just go down. Being so annoying.
nowadays when you say you're Christian, honestly,
Yeah, I don't think I like.
No absorption.
and some people say they're Catholics.
You're not a sponge. Just go down.
Most people who say they're
Being
Catholics,
absorbed.
they're not really practicing.
It's like the sellers are like what's that viral ad? Chamois,
guys, I think
something
that's
where
it.
the guy's like
Yeah, I
wiping
think
up
we're done.
everything. And
There's no more.
Yeah, chamois.
Chamois.
Chamois. Wham sham or something. Yeah.
That's what the sellers are today, just getting absorbed constantly. They're getting chamoised.
You're getting chamois. You're getting swept. Get a broom.
I'll take this because the risk is out.
That's funny.
That's you, Jason. Well, maybe
Still getting absorbed, but they're trying it, and that's. I appreciate the effort. I applaud the effort of the sellers for giving it a good go, but they are still getting absorbed.
when you're younger. There could be some
5-minute trap.
I've got my stop at like break even now. It's just I put it at break even when I got to like 2/3 of the profit target that I had set. So honestly, if it comes down and whacks me out, then you know, hey, whatever, not a big deal. I'd rather hold long. I can't predict when the buyers will just absolutely absorb any sell pressure possible and rip the market higher. So I'll just keep it as it is. The NASDAQ's coming to its 21 period EMA right now, where it bounced off of 3 times. Wouldn't be surprised if this is the time that breaks, of course, but you know.
By the way, if the back end want to pull up my screen, because I am in a trade, you want to pull up my screen really quick. So I'm still looking. These shorts, I did see on the footprint the pressure was coming in. They finally broke through that first absorption zone. So now I'm looking at potentially getting out of these lows, because I know the buyers are just ridiculous right now, but the sellers are actually starting to do quite well. I'm pretty impressed. I have to, for all the crap talk I was giving them earlier, I've got to applaud them now. They've actually managed to do something. So well done, sellers. But you are getting absorbed again. And I am in profit. I'm just going to take my money, because do you really want to be shorting the market like this and hope? So quick scalps, in and out. The moment you see the first sign of danger, get out. That's my motto. But sorry, Paul, you were in the trade and I kind of hijacked your screen. So
No, you're fine. I just got I got stopped out of it, and then I just immediately got long 2 Dow micros, so I am now long 2 micro Dow.
Very nice.
That's good. I think we need to pivot as traders. You know, I think it's great. Look at that. Good job.
Well, Jason Yang, keep joining us every day.
Keep pushing.
At 9:30.
Keep it going.
We'll do this every day.
Because it's fine. Like, it's fine that I got stopped out for like, you know, basically break even, like a $3, literally nothing gain. But then all of a sudden, on the NQ at least, a ton of buyers came in, but now they're all selling down, and the Dow kind of based out a little bit here, and then turned higher with some decent volume. So I figured I'd give the Dow a go if the NASDAQ's being a little whippy on me. So
Yeah, I totally agree. Sometimes, you know, just switching between the 3, ES, Dow or NASDAQ, if one is just not behaving how you like, switch to another one. You kind of fall in love with it a bit, and then that one pisses you off eventually, because it will. And then you switch back to a different one, and it's kind of, you know, you just kind of rotate. It's like having 3 wives or something. But
all right, well, that is the final finale.
1-900 Coach Sam.
Loves peace.
Also, guys, if you can check in the Zoom chat as well once in a while.
Boom.
Oh yeah.
Like debates. Like for me, actually, you know what? I kind of do. I kind of watch them, but I don't kind of.
Yeah.
Like on things that I don't.
I spelled that wrong, but I'm sure you know what I meant.
Yep.
I watch a lot, actually. I watch a lot. Like instead of watching like Netflix.
Stace Trade says, sounds like someone's in love. Someone's love life. Sounds like someone's love life. I don't have 3 wives, if that's what you're asking.